Today we are at one of the seven wonders of the world, and it's very special day today over here. It's Earth's commemoration of Shah Jahan and Mumtaz Mahal. So what happens is that today is the wedding anniversary of Shah Jahan and Mumtaz Mahal. So what Muslims do? Muslims put blanket over the actual commemoration of Mumtaz Mahal. And on the other days what happen is that duplicate doors get open, but today the original gate will open, which is in the basement of the Taj Mahal. This place is for free for 3 days. First 2 days are half day, which is free entry, and today is for full day, it's free entry. So let's see if we get a chance to see the original graveyard of Mumtaz Mahal, which is in the basement of Taj Mahal. So let's go. Used to build Taj Mahal is very significant in its own way. It changes color from dawn to the midnight. So if you're visiting during the sunrise, you will see golden shade on the Taj Mahal, and if you visit during the night, like when it's sunsetting or on the full moon day also, this place is open, so you will see a blue magical view. Finally, we got the chance to view the original grave of Shah Jahan and Mumtaz Mahal and the ceremonies which they were doing over there. But we were not able to capture anything since photography and videography is prohibited inside that place. So, but in some of the people were taking pictures from their phones also, but we don't feel like it's a legitimate thing, so we didn't do anything like that. Otherwise, today the place, when we visited here, the place was not that much crowded, but now because the ceremony timing is around 12 to 2 o'clock, so now you can see there are a lot of people inside it for the ceremonies.
Today we came here to visit Agra Fort. This is the very first fort built by the Mughal emperors when they came to India, like in year 1665, and Babur who started building this one, and after that Akbar completes this fort. All of the Mughal emperors lives here: Babur, Humayun, Akbar, Shah Jahan and Aurangzeb as well. Akbar built all of the basic structure of this fort, and then Shah Jahan did all of the marble work. This place is called Roshanara, and from here we can see the Taj Mahal, and also the same marble is used here, which is used to build Taj Mahal. This fort is like mix of this white marble and the red marble. These are the two defense layers, so that first there used to have a lot of water and crocodiles in there, and after that in this jungle they have animals over here. So whenever someone want to attack, so first they need to go from that crocodile water, and then there is animals over here, then only they can enter the village. And then also the walls are very high, so they need to cross it. The garden designers are bought from Kashmir to design these gardens, and they used to raise grapes over here because Shah Jahan used to drink a lot of wine, and so that's why they use the grapes to build the wine for him. And that's the end of this fort. There are about 500 buildings built by Akbar. Some of those are destroyed by Shah Jahan when he rebuilt it with the marble, and most of them are ruined by British Empire. And now only 30 buildings survived, which are here in this fort. And now UNESCO has inscribed this under the list of World Heritage Monuments in 1983.